Do you experience unsteadiness when you are standing or walking? Did you recently suffer a leg injury resulting in weakness in your leg? Today I will show you balance exercises that will help with your walking and stairs. I will go over two types of standing balance exercises: static balance exercise and dynamic balance exercise. The most basic static balance exercise is the single leg stance. Try to stand on the injured leg on one leg for as long as you can without losing your balance. You could stand next to a wall, a table, or chair just in case you start to lose your balance. While you're doing this exercise, try to not hold on to any objects until you start to lose your balance. Do your best to not wave your arms around. If you could help it, try to keep your legs from touching each other. It is okay to start off with your legs together like the tree pose in yoga, but try to gradually separate the legs as your balance improves. Hold the single leg stance for as long as you can. If you could hold this position for 5 seconds, then try to do this for 10 seconds next time. If you could do this for 10 seconds, then try to do this for 15 seconds next time. Next, let's talk about dynamic balance. The most basic dynamic balance exercise is weight shifting exercise. Let's start by putting one foot in front of the other and settle in a stagger stance. Shift your weight from your back foot to your front foot and then from the front foot to the back foot. Repeat for 10 repetitions. Then switch the legs and do another 10 repetitions. When you switch your feet, you will realize that this exercise is a little more difficult with the injured foot in the back. If this weight shifting exercise is too easy for you, try the next exercise. Start standing with both feet together. Take a step forward with your injured foot and then immediately bring that foot back. Repeat for 10 repetitions, then switch your feet, and then try to step forward with the uninjured foot. You will find that this exercise is more difficult when you step forward with the uninjured foot. If both of these exercises are too easy for you, you can try to incorporate some arm movements, such as arm swings, or bringing your arms out and back. These exercises are very beginner friendly. After doing these exercises, if you still feel that you have trouble going up or down the stairs, you could watch a video that I made that trains specifically for going up and down the stairs. I'll leave the link down below. Even though that video was made for people with knee pain, it will still help. The way you do stairs training for going up the steps and going down the steps are the same whether you had a knee injury or ankle or foot injury, because these are task-specific exercises and training.